I'm going to show you how to freeze panes in Excel. It's really simple to do. I'm going to show you how to freeze your columns and rows. So first you want to go to View. Once you click on View, hit Freeze Panes. When you click on that, you will see these options right here. So let's freeze the top row. So I click that, you notice that the top row is frozen. The deposit amount is still staying there at the top. So to undo it, you hit Freeze Panes and hit Unfreeze Panes. Let's freeze the column. So it's going to freeze the first column. You see here to the left. When I move over, you notice that that column is going to stay there. Let's go back to Freeze Panes again. Say for instance, we want to freeze this top row. First, you want to highlight under that row and hit Freeze Panes and hit Freeze Panes again right here. And you're going to notice that that row there at the top is frozen. And just go and hit the unfreeze. Say for instance, we want to freeze this whole column here. Just highlight that column B and hit Freeze Panes. Yeah, as you can see, it's frozen. Let's go and undo. And let's click here. If you click that one cell, we're going to highlight it yellow so you can see it better. And go to View, go to Freeze Panes. Freeze Panes, if I click that, it's going to freeze the row and the column right there. So I'm going to scroll up, you see. Then I'm going to scroll here to the left. You're going to notice that it's frozen. And we're going to do that one right there. Yeah, let's do this column E. We're going to unfreeze, then we're going to freeze this one right here. You're going to notice that that row and column is frozen. And that's really it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net.